Coming up, we take a ride on a train, look round some shops and narrow streets, check out some gorgeous beaches, and of course, enjoy fish and chips for lunch. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, that's Kim, and that's Sylv.
Hello.
Today we're going to find out if St Ives really is the best UK seaside town. We'll take you with us. Right, we've decided to go in by train, so we've stopped at St Ives Park and Ride, which is £4.10 to park the car all day, and then we'll get the train into St Ives from here. Well, we've just got our tickets, a very nice gentleman out on the station. £8 for all three of us, so that's £12.10 altogether for all day. Perfect. Right, we're on the train. See how long it takes us to get there. There are some simply stunning views as you travel into St Ives, but I do wish the train company would clean the windows. Right, that's us disembarked at St Ives station. Nice little 10-minute train ride from St Ives. Going to go and explore. It's quite a nice short walk from the train station down towards the town. But I do wonder who decided on the names for these cottages. Just taking a little walk up through the town. Great to see all the little independent shops. Very vibrant and a buzzing little street. Don't let Kim see this shop. Ah, that's where they keep all the bins. I was just wandering down the famous Fore Street. One of the most famous streets in St Ives. Lots of shops, lots of little places where you can spend all your money. So what happens if you're caught cocking? I see what you've done there. Very clever. Just walked down Fore Street there and we just dropped out onto the front. Across the harbour's across from us. Oh, and the sun's come out. Quick coffee stop. Well, after a refreshing cup of coffee from the pub, the Sloop Inn, it's only 10 o'clock. We're just going to have a little walk around the harbour bit. As you can see, it's filling up with people. Just enjoying a little bit of sunshine. It's Easter. It's the Thursday before Easter, so nice bit of weather. And everybody's out enjoying it. I love it when they put the maximum weight on a deck chair as 100 kilogram. That's me out then. You'll be alright, they got short wetsuits. We just come around the corner and we're now going to walk out onto Smeaton's Pier, one of the piers in St Ives. A multitude of boat trips are being advertised: seal watching, mackerel fishing, deep sea fishing, nature watch trips round the bay, adrenaline trips. Whatever takes your fancy, all based on the water. And why not? Look at it, it is absolutely beautiful. The tide is out at the moment. Hopefully later on we'll be able to show you it with the tide in. So are the fish flying fish, and this is where they land? Maybe.
Time for a chat with one of the locals.
Get issues with the seals? I spoke to a few guys and...
Lots we do with the fishermen.
Yeah.
Sorry, we do when we're fishing for mackerel.
Yeah.
Really, really bad. And they've gone, I'd say over the last 3 or 4 years, it's 10 times worse. Because there's more of them.
Yeah.
It's a seal century.
Yeah.
They're picking them up when they're little pups off the
Putting
beaches.
them back in.
Yeah, rearing them up for like say 6 months in their place, feeding them, releasing them, and then they're instantly going for us then.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's one of them situations, isn't it? I think.
yeah, it is.
You don't think about the guys that are earning a living from it.
No, it's, I mean, don't get me wrong, everything, you know, dies and all that,
That's
and they
right.
get weak, but you can't just go picking a thing up on the beach
No.
and thinking it's dying. It's just nature. What they're doing is more damage.
Yeah.
Because now everybody has to go heavier on their lines now, you know, because we're losing too many. And then it affects them then because, you know, you can't seem to get them off the line when they take the fish.
A fantastic little chat with a fisherman there. He's just mending his lobster pots at the moment, and he was just talking about the life he's got at the moment, about the hardships they face, not least from the seals, all saved by the Greek Seal Sanctuary, which isn't too far up the coast from here. He said it's all well and good helping them out and saving more and more seals and putting them back in, but they decimate the fisheries, which makes it harder and harder for these guys to make a living. So there's got to be a bit of a balance. Anyway, very interesting talking to him. If you are watching this, big shout out, thanks for stopping and taking the time to chat.
Cue my glamorous assistant for some information.
The foundation stone on this pier.
What are you looking over there for? Look here.
The foundation stone on this pier was laid in 1988.
No, it wasn't.
1888.
What was? You'll start again, aren't you? It's not hard, it's like one sentence.
The foundation stone on this pier was laid in
I'll get her to do it.
I can't do it.
The foundation stone of this pier was laid in 1888. And the final stone was laid in 1890.
Keep practicing, Kim, you'll get the hang of it.
Set fair. just having a selfie with the invisible man at St Ives, and he's just said to me, if you don't hit that like button, he'll put his price up.
You alright there, Kim? She does like a good set of steps.
The one thing you will notice about St Ives is there is more than one beach. We're just going to walk around the headland and have a look at another one. This is Porthgwydden Beach.
Another beach, this one's called Porthmere Beach.
Nicely done, Kim. Oh, we do like a shop selling lots of tat. Let's have a look in here.
As you can see, it has got proper mad busy. We split up. Kim and her mum have gone up 4th Street again to spend some money. I'm just having a little walk along the other bit of the front. Not really busy even along this bit. Lots of shops, lots of cafes, lots of chip shops. Lots of arcades, lots of ways to spend your money. We come across the other side by the lifeboat station. And that's the view across the bay from this side. Just waiting for Kim and Sylv to catch me up. They're up in the main town spending a few quid. I'm just going to have a little sit and look at the view. Why not? Fish and chips.
After our fish and chips, which were amazing by the way, we started to head back towards the station. But not before we had a little look around this church.
Wise words. We've walked back round to towards the station. Back to the station is just up there. We've got this yet another beach which is behind us.
After a last look at the beach, we headed back on the train for one last look at those gorgeous views.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, that's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent.
Right, well we are going to leave you there. That was a little look at St Ives, voted the UK's best seaside destination. What do we think? Yes or no?
Yes,
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely good.
Lovely beaches.
Exactly, a lot of different beaches to choose from.
Yes.
Great views.
Nice fish and chips too, don't forget the fish and chips.
Oh yeah, they were
They were
great.
nice. Yeah, a really good feel about it, I think.
Yeah,
Very nice.
definitely.
Yeah.
I would definitely advise parking at St Earth Park and Ride train station and catching that in. It's £4.10 on to park, and then it was what, £8 for the three of us in on the train. You're going to pay that to park your car, and you'll have stress of trying to drive into St Ives. As you saw, the streets are really narrow. Just use the park and ride, it's a lot easier. If you are going to come early. If you're just going to walk around the place, if you're coming with kids, not a problem, plenty of beaches to choose from. So from us, we think it's a thumbs up. Definitely one of the best places in the UK to come. If you've liked this video, you know what to do. give us a little thumbs up, tickle that like button, it helps the channel. Subscribe if you can, click the notification bell, and if you like this Cornwall series, watch one of the videos coming on the screen next. We'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, girls.
Bye.